Thank you for clicking on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll share you simple and easy steps on how to easily remove a background of an object and place it on another background. I'm using CorelDraw and my version is CorelDraw 2018, but I believe this applies to any CorelDraw version you have. Thank you. Let's stay tuned and let's get into the video. So please stay tuned and just follow my easy steps whatever I'm doing. It's self-explanatory, and in case you have any question, please feel free to drop this in the comment box and I promise I'll get back to you. And please remember to click subscribe and give me some like and a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much, and let's stay tuned and hope to read from you. First, you zoom in as much as possible to the size that you're comfortable with, and you can choose to use a pen, a bezier, a laser tool, or an eraser to remove the background. In my case, I'm using a bezier tool because I like it and I'm so used to that one. Now you follow my simple steps on the screen and go retrace the entire object. Once done, let's talk after you've finished retracing the object with whatever tool you're using, whether it's a pen or it's a bezier. Okay, get into it and do it. After you're done, I'm gonna show you what next. So here we go. Everything has fully been retraced. I've zoomed in again to show the full object. So now watch the next step and we are done. So now you can save your object in PNG, in JPEG, in PDF, in EMS, in whatever vector format you deem necessary for your use. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to share it and give me some love by clicking the notification bell. You can also click on the like, and your comment is valuable to me. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next episode or tutorial.